Why do 80% of MetaQuest users experience a black screen? Let's fix that. Step 1. Hard reboot. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for at least 10 seconds. Wait for the boot screen to pop up. Step 2. Check for updates. Make sure your MetaQuest 3 has the latest software updates. Updates can solve many issues, including that pesky black screen. Step 3. Factory reset. If the reboot didn't work, try a factory reset. Head to the MetaQuest app on your phone and follow the reset instructions. Step 4. Contact support. Still seeing black? It's time to contact Meta Support. They've got your back. Troubleshooting tips. First, ensure your headset is powered and charging correctly. Check the proximity sensor. It might be causing the issue. If you're using external cables, make sure they're securely connected. And if you're using MetaQuest Link, confirm the app is up to date and there are no firewall issues. That's it. Follow these steps and you'll be back in VR in no time.